Doing okay? Good. You got it. King of the mountain. Let me off of here.
Hey roamers, I'm Jamie.
I'm Linda.
And this is Roaming with Rosie.
Attack dog right here. You don't want to get closer. No, you don't want to. There's an attack dog here. He's determined because the tourists give him food. No, 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 no. You don't want to come here. There's a dog right here. He just hasn't seen you yet. They're coming right up to him. Oh my God. You guys seem to know tourists who feed you, but you don't understand dogs. Why would you run right at a dog? Now you're laying flat. See him laying flat on the rock? There's the third one. Hey, let's go get some food from those guys. Yeah, we already tried. That lady, she keeps moving her feet. I have to keep leaving. I'm doing it for your own good. Because the dog behind me will just grab you. Watch. Feet. Uh-oh, now he's not scared of my feet. Feet. Each point here at Dead Horse Point State Park has an entirely different view. It looks like, you think that's the point right there? So, that's where the horses died, we think. We'll get over there in just a minute. So the Colorado River is always brown in most areas. So this sudden green, and knowing the Green River connects to it down here, it's in a tributary, right? Tributary or a tributary? Tributary. It's No. A. But it's just pretty. And it's right there. Yeah, good boy, get your shoes on, huh? Come on, Dex. You haven't had him on in a little while. Doing okay? Good. You got it. So he was whining before. We felt like it was too hot, so we went back to the car and put his shoes on, his boots. And now he's trotting. He's pretty happy. Still doing the shepherd walk where he traverses the ground. You're gonna be in guard dog mode. See how he keeps running with the boots on. so smoky and sad from the California and Oregon, Washington fires. Seems like a lot of the smoke is accumulating in southeastern, is that where we are? Southeastern Utah. If you can see right there is a Jeep trail, and far out that way there's a whole bunch of cars. I don't know what kind of permit you need to go down there, but I'd imagine it takes a while.
The legend of Dead Horse Point states that in the late 1800s, the point was used as a corral for wild mustangs roaming the mesa top. Cowboys herded them across the narrow neck of land and onto the point. The neck was then fenced off with branches and brush. One time, for some unknown reason, the horses were left corralled on the waterless point, where they died of thirst within the view of the Colorado River, 2,000 feet below. It's said that at night, campers in the park can hear the mournful cries of the horses carried on the wind. From the viewpoint looking below, the form of a white horse can be seen, a ghostly reminder of what happened here.
This is a really cool shady overlook. Water time. Oh, I'm gonna lay down now.
Thank you.
Sure.
We're at Canyonlands National Park. Dogs can't go on trail, which is typical, I think, of all national parks, or at least most of them. We just came from Dead Horse Point State Park, and usually dogs can go on the trails at state parks, at least what we're finding so far. So we've done a lot of hiking with Dexter today already, and Canyonlands National Park literally down the road, and we have our America the Beautiful Pass, so why not? So these roads that we saw from Dead Horse Point State Park, where we saw the Jeeps and other vehicles going down to the bottom, you have to get a permit. The road goes here starts here out of Canyonlands, and if you can see, it's right here, and that's the beginning. And they say there are 2 to 3 trips by motorized vehicle, 3 to 4 day trips for mountain bikes. This is the Green River Overlook.
In Canyonlands.
In Canyonlands. We wanted to see where the Colorado River and the Green River come together. It's called the confluence, but you have to go to the south portion of Canyonlands National Park, which is 40 miles south of Moab and then about 23 miles east. And there's a campground and there's another visitor center there. So we'll see, maybe we'll do that on the way back towards Arizona. So this is Grand View Overlook. It would be grander if there wasn't smoke. Way out there in the distance, with all the smoke. So I imagine on a clear day this is stunning. We'll obviously have to come back. That would be like, it's like looking down into the Grand Canyon, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But it's smoky.
Even with the smoke, we still know we were blessed with this experience. Southeastern Utah just keeps showing us more. But we're not leaving yet. We're making the most of being furloughed from work and had nowhere to be and much to see. Be sure to subscribe and of course click that bell because that will let you know when we upload a new video. See you next time!